Hey there, CJMS students. Welcome to homework 113. So your objective today is to be able to know the two concepts of median and mode. So first, here's median. The median is just the middle value of a data set. So in order to do this, no matter what you do today, always put all the numbers in order from least to greatest. That's your first step always. Always put the numbers in order from least to greatest. And then the median is just going to be the middle of that ordered set. So see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values. You'll have 3 on one side, 3 on the other side, and that number right in the middle, 5, that's your median. Now, if you have 2 numbers in the middle, we'll talk about this a little bit later, but you need to add those 2 together and divide by 2 to find out the middle of those 2 numbers. And the mode is the one that is the value that occurs most frequently. So you order them from least to greatest, and then you say, okay, I have 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 7, 8. Okay, so I have 2 2s and 2 5s. So these are the values that occur the most. So therefore, your mode is 2 and 5. So it is possible to have multiple modes. Now, if I inserted a third 5 here, then only 5 would be the mode because that occurred 3 times and it occurred the most. Now, if I took away a 2 and took away a 5, then there would be no mode because you have all the values just occurring once. All right, so your task today is to do some Buzzmath. So the level is called calculating the median and the mode. So it says the median is the middle number of an ordered data set. So you take a look at your data set and you say, oh, wait, I got to order these first. So 13 is my smallest, then 22, then 26, okay, then 45. And you'll notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have an odd amount of values, so that means I'll have one number in the middle. I'll say that one more time. When you have an odd amount of values, in this case we have 5, 5 is an odd number, you will have one number in the middle. 26, right? You have 2 in front of it and 2 behind it. So the median in this case is 26, right? Nice and easy. Now, it gets a little bit more difficult when you have an even amount. Let me show you an example here. So I have 1, 3, 5, 27, 50, let's move 13 up there, and 31 right there. You'll notice I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers in the middle. Now, here I can't just pick 13 or 27. I have to say, okay, I have 2 on the side of 13 and 2 on that side of 31, so I have 2 in the middle. Here's what you do with this. You're going to count off. You're going to say, okay, goodbye to that guy, goodbye to that guy, goodbye to this guy, goodbye to this guy. Okay, so these are the 2 numbers that I have in the middle. You're going to add them together, so 13 plus 27, and then you're going to divide that by 22. Essentially, you're going to take the average of what 13 and 27 is. So that's 40, and 40 divided by 2 is 20. So the median of that data set is 20, and you had to do that because you had an even amount, right? You had 6 total values here, so therefore you had 2 numbers in the middle. So if I were you, I'd have a pencil and paper, and I would always write these numbers out, and then I'd cross off 1, 1, 2, 2, and then hey, if you figure out, oh wait, I had crossed off 3 here but not 3 here, erase that last one and be like, all right, those are the 2 that I have to add up and find the average of in order to find my median. Okay, so we go back. It says use a decimal if necessary. Yes, sometimes you will get a decimal, but in this case we got 20. And then we keep it moving. All right, so here again, it will just tell you to find the median. I can't stress this enough. Write them down in order from least to greatest first. Same thing here. And then it starts to talk about the mode. So I would still put them in order from least to greatest. And the reason being, it's going to be a lot easier to tell what the mode is once you do that. So you see, 110, 17, 19, 19, 22. Oh, let me move that over there. Okay, I have 2 19s. That's the value that occurs the most. That's why it's my mode. All right. So again, same thing here. There can be more than one mode, just like I talked about. So let's order these first. Okay, now that we have that done, you'll notice we have 2 10s, we have 2 17s. Everything else occurs once. Okay, so it's 10, 17. Those are your 2 modes. All right, so these questions will ask you about median and mode. Just make sure that you know mode is the one that occurs the most, and median is the middle number. No matter what, for either of them, always order them from least to greatest. And then we'll get to a question like this, where it says, okay, here are her initial scores where she received a 56, a 56, a 76, an 82, and a 94. Okay, so what's the median here? All right, well, see you later to those 2, see you later to those 2. It was 76. So now she got another 82. So you'll see I wrote out the set again, but I included another 82. Now I can go to work here and I say, okay, see you later to that one, see you later to that one, see you later to that one, see you later to that one. You'll notice I have 2 numbers left. So what do I do when I have 2 numbers left? add them up, 76 plus 82, and I divide them by 2. And you get your answer of 79. So the median was 76. It then became 79 after I added the 82. So the median 79, and it changed by 3, right? 76 to 79, it increases by 3. All right, so make sure you understand that increase, decrease. It's helpful, again, to write this stuff down on paper in order to help you visualize it. So it says, look at each set of data. The students had their favorite snack. In order to find out the favorite, you want to figure out, okay, which one occurred the most. So you're looking at your mode there on that one. That's always what happens when we vote for stuff. We're always looking for the mode, which one occurs the most. And then the cost of student lunches are these. What's the typical value here? We're not looking for a mode here. If it's a typical value, that can be higher or lower. We're looking for the middle. So that's the median on that one. All right, so that's it. Get your Buzzmath done. Remember to get all questions done. You can't skip a question. It's not considered complete if you don't skip a question. No Buzzmath today. Just email me the code word from the video once you finish Buzzmath. That's it. Have a good one.